How to install Notepad++ in Windows 11. Are you tired of using the default Notepad app on your Windows 11 PC? You are in luck because today we will show you how to install the popular text editor Notepad++ on your Windows device. The first step is to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Notepad++ website. Search Notepad++. Click on Notepad++ official website. Once you are on the website, click on the download button. You will be directed to the download page where you will see different versions of Notepad++ for different operating systems. Make sure to select the Windows version. Click on the latest Notepad++. Click on the download button and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. You will be asked if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click on Yes. Next you will see the Note++ installation wizard. Click OK. Click Next. Then click I agree. Select Create Shortcut on desktop. Then click on Install. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish to exit. Done! You have successfully installed Notepad++ on your Windows 11 PC. Now you can open Notepad++ and start using it to edit your text files. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.